Put your hand in. Now hold it there. Oh, look at the fish. Look at the fish. Yeah, Catherine's looking at the fish. She's petting fish. Look at there. Say, come on, fish.
Please.
Be still. They'll come to you. Be still. Look in there. Come on, fish. Easy, real slow. Real slow. Real slow. They'll come to you real slow. Oh, throw that out. Throw it away. Take it out. Look at there. Yeah, take it out. Take it out. Get it. Okay, let's go in. Here, Grandma, get it. Mimi, get it. Mimo, get it. Go away. There we go. Here, let's pull your sleeve up. Pull your sleeve up. Okay, put your hand right there. Easy, don't move. Don't move. Be still. Look at it. Okay, let's go show Mommy.